Okay, today we have the Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV hybrid, and customer would like a new stereo replaced into the vehicle that looks as factory as possible, steering wheel controls, DAB, Apple CarPlay and reverse camera. And this is the kit that we're going to fit today for the customer, the 5020. Let's see how we get on. Okay, so after a few hours later, let's show you what we've done. So we've put in absolutely stunning Kenwood head unit. Looks like it's meant to be there, all totally factory look. Let's see how it plays. Start the vehicle up.
If we can help, search online for Bishop's Tainton House or call 01626 770 383.
So standard Kenwood.
Furniture Superstore in Torquay. We offer local same-day
Steering wheel controls. Volume down, volume up. Change the radio stations. And then when you plug in your Apple iPhone cable, ours is in the glove box. Apple CarPlay.
A paramedic told the court it was the most violent incident he'd
And then you've got Apple CarPlay.
The European Union has begun legal proceedings against the UK over its
want to use
legislation to
sat-nav,
override parts of the Brexit withdrawal
make a phone
agreement.
call,
The EU
everything.
sees the internal market bill as a breach
all
of
here,
that deal,
Spotify.
which governs the UK's future relationship with the EU. Our correspondent in Brussels, Nick Beak, is following developments.
Clearly, it's quite dramatic that what we hear in one respect, the fact that the EU is taking legal action. The big question is whether this, torpedoes the ongoing trade talks, and I don't think it does, largely because any sort of legal action will take
Want to play music.
Here's your daily drive for Thursday. Next, today's top.
Apple CarPlay is a must in any vehicle these days. Want to listen to the radio instead of DAB and use music streaming. Far better sound quality in this now as well. And we've fitted reverse camera, and it's got Bluetooth hands-free. Put it in reverse. There we go. There's the reverse camera. I'll show you what it looks like. And there it is. Hope you like what we've done.